would say first challenge or key challenge was something I mentioned in a way before, is that technology change faster than people and organization and culture adapt. So there is always a gap, and how you manage to close that gap, that's a challenge, because if an organization waits too much to close that gap, then there is a point they have to reevaluate and reinvent the whole business model, because they are left behind with the market. So we need to always continue. But the challenge, people are afraid, people feel threatened. There is always that natural fear of, is the machine going to replace my job and or I created this way of doing, or we were doing it well, or I have this even data model. What will I share? What will I change it? What will I, people are a little bit afraid. So I guess converting fear into opportunities, understanding their circumstances, and being able to leverage the skill to empower them and show them that, I guess that's the challenge. But if you show they are not alone, because the technologies, they're alive, but also they have an ecosystem of partners that are there. And even I often bring them to the community. There is many other organizations are doing the same, and they are also adopting those technologies. So bring all your employees to this, big events where they see other employees like them actually using those technologies, and they share ideas, and they get excited because they realize how before they used to take so much time, copy paste, and now they actually have time to do very interesting things. Or, they get inspired when they see that there is a community in the world that is already doing it, and actually this is an opportunity. So there are ways to conquering all that, but you need to, of course, be together there and in a way work with them so they conquer those fears.